Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Chocolate milkshake, raspberry flavor, Kit Kat s'mores or something.
Hershey s'mores.
So let's try this, but today Carol is going to close her eyes and she's going to taste
Okay,
what
don't
it is.
start with the first one.
Okay,
I already know it.
I know.
Oh, I already know Hershey and s'mores.
What do you say?
I need the middle part too.
I like it.
I don't taste s'mores or Hershey, but it's good. 7 out of 10. I don't
7 out of
taste
10,
it.
yeah.
Do you taste it so much?
I don't taste so much of Hershey's,
Yeah.
but it's good.
What is this? This one.
I don't know.
Did you show them?
Mm-hmm. Well, let's go to the next one, okay?
Should I close my eyes?
Sure. I mean, I think it's easy this week because, but whatever.
Milkshake. Chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate milkshake.
That's so much chocolate. 7 out of 10 too.
7 out of 10 too.
You're not in the... Should I taste?
You already know what it is.
Ew.
Oh, I think this is raspberry. Let me try it.
It tastes like something...
It's raspberry! Sorry,
have-
I'm joking.
Do you have in India, do you have Fruchtzwerge? No, you don't. But it's a German yogurt and it tastes the same.
It's actually good. I liked it.
You can have it.
8.5 by 10. Thank you
5 out
for watching us, and I think you should really try the Hershey's.
And don't forget to check out the secret menu at your store. She didn't want to get it.
And then that is it, I guess. Bye.
Bye. Mwah.
Subscribe so we can buy more cookies.
And like.
Please. I think the middle part is like butter and it's actually lame. It's
This week not that great.
I've
Maybe
actually
we took the wrong
things,
I feel
yeah.
like, which was the other one?
There is
we
a
didn't
peanut
take?
stuff.
Yeah,
that we
the
didn't.
Snickers peanut.
Yeah, I don't like.
Maybe you should take that.
And we saw some boxes
Ugh, nobody cares.
are just
Just shut up.
are trashed outside of Crumbl.
Not in the video.
Okay. Crumbl.